Hello everyone, I'm Kevin, the coach of Team BSH, led by Professor Bernd Brügge, and our customers are Baris, Katharina, Tobias, Berkay, and our team of 60 developers are very excited tonight to showcase our app. For that, I will hand over to Flora. She will show us the current progress.
Thank you. So, this is Peter, and he's 24 years old, and he has a full-time job as a Christmas tree decorator. Furthermore, he has a vacuum, which he has an apartment which he has to keep tidy. As every good story needs a love story, he also has a girlfriend, and she is kind of a tidiness queen. So in order to keep her happy, he has to spend about 2.5 hours vacuum cleaning every week. He would rather spend his limited free time with online gaming with friends, of course. Now let's take a look at So what is our problem? Our problem is how to make cleaning fun. Our solution is to make vacuum cleaning a game. So now let's take a look at our requirements. As I already said, we want to make cleaning a game, to make it an extraordinary and fun experience. Of course, the room should be tidy in the end because that's the purpose of vacuum cleaning in the first place. Another important aspect is that we can configure our software so it can handle ever-changing room configurations like deck tables, open and close curtains, and also moving chairs. As we capture the private space of the user, we have to make sure that we only use the data we need and to save it in a way that no third party can access it. Also, we have to ensure the user's well-being during the game and also reduce the risk of an injury. Last but not least, our room capture has to be accurate enough so the user is not confused by any wrong or misleading instructions. Now we'll hand over to Lukas.
Thank you, Flora. Building on these requirements, we have identified our 5 use cases: configure, scan, label, clean, and train. Train rebuilds on the label use case. So let me guide you through. Configure. At first, the vacuum cleaner identifier has to identify our vacuum cleaner. This is needed to configure our cleaning environment, consisting of several rooms. These rooms all need to be scanned, which leads to our next use case. Scan. The scanner can face 2 cases. Either he's in a room he already scanned before, so he has to recognize it. Or he's in a room he has never scanned before, so he has to label all room objects in help with his labeler and his smartphone camera. This leads to our next use case, label. The labeler has to automatically label all room objects in the new room, and if he's doing poorly, we as configurator have to update them manually, which leads to a false negative label, which we are using on our train in order to train our object labeler. Now, last but not least, our most important use case, clean. Finally, after setting all this up, we can finally clean our environment. This is done by choosing a cleaning procedure, which affects our route, which affects also our highlighted cleaning locations, and how the route is displayed on our smartphone screen. Now, we can finally start cleaning our environment, and during this fun task, reward our cleaner.
Hey Peter. Hey Peter. What you doing?
My girlfriend is coming, so I have to make sure that my room is like really clean, unless she'll kill me.
You're cleaning again. You always do it. But actually, I wanted to play video games. Oh, I see your face. Okay, we won't play video games. But actually, I have a solution for your problem, because we can actually play games and clean the room simultaneously.
Really?
And for that purpose, we have an app, Dustbuster. Let me show it to you. I just opened the application, and here you can actually see all rooms in our household. So Moreover, we have a scoreboard here, and you see I have the best score.
Yeah, what
here.
I also can see is that you and all the other flatmates already were playing without me. Thank you.
I'm sorry, but you don't have time. But actually, we can figure something out. And actually, I can add your room to the application. So
Yeah,
that's why I need to click on the plus button and scan your room. So right now, I've started the scanning procedure, and the app will automatically detect all chairs that are here. Then I need to click on Save button and give it a name. For example, I say Peter's room. I click on Add, and now I'm able to see your room in the list. So then I can select your room and reallocate it. So I'm moving my camera around, and the app detects chairs automatically. Then I actually need to place my phone to a vacuum cleaner. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I do it, and I place the phone right here. And right now, I can point the camera to the chairs, and I start the vacuum cleaner. You see, my score is 315 right now. So I started. And I can catch these rewards.
There too.
Yeah. And you see my score is upgraded. And right now I have 450, 550. And yeah, maybe that's all for today. Anyway, right now I can click on Finish button. And actually, you can see the updated score right here on the table. You see I have 550.
Yeah, I need to catch up. Can I try now?
You can, of course.
But the thing is, thanks to the app, my room is already cleaned. But thanks for showing me, therefore I'll clean your room now.
OK. But wait, I need my phone.
No, but I need this app.
But I need my phone.
No.
Thank you, Artem and Peter, for this great demo. And now, as you got insights on our application, I would quickly like to show you our analysis object model. Starting off with the cleaning procedure as central class of our analysis object model, as it is necessary in order to define if we want to go for a thorough clean or just a quick run, as our vacuum user has two sides on that. Now, the representation of his household consisting of rooms and room objects and, of course, furniture. Store it as a physical representation, a map. And, of course, our beloved vacuum cleaner. Now, building upon this map, we are creating a route which the user has to follow in order to get his well-deserved reward.
Thank you, Lucas. Okay, so we looked at different existing solutions to build our software upon: 6D-AI, PlaceNote, and ARKit. As ARKit has worse accuracy in terms of meshing and capturing the room, we first took a look at the other two. However, 6D-AI has a rather cryptic documentation and sometimes none at all, so it was not suitable for us. And PlaceNote, it saves its data on a third-party server and therefore violates our privacy requirement. So we chose ARKit. Now to our current status. So what we did so far is we can scan the room and also store these data. And as you saw with Artem and Peter, we can place and collect virtual rewards. What we are currently working on is the capability to reconfigure the room and also detect moving furniture, and therefore we integrated a machine learning model, which still needs some training to improve accuracy. We are also working on a mounting accessory for the vacuum cleaner so the iPhone can be attached to it. Things that still have to be done is the ability to find the most efficient route for vacuum cleaning and also to save the score on a server so multiple players from the same household can compare their scores. Last but not least, we have to refine the gaming experience to make it more creative and more extraordinary than the generalized version with the red and yellow balls you saw in the trailer. Now we would like to give a big thank you to our customers and also ask for a short feedback. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for the great presentation. I'm really, very thrilled what you already have achieved, and I'm really looking forward what you will achieve the next 2 months. I'm pretty convinced that you will conquer all the challenges which will come in the future. But what I'm really interested in, if you already had some time to compare the traditional vacuum cleaning with now cleaning with your app. So have you tried it out? And if yes, do you like it?
Yes, we have already tried it, and actually we like it because it's fun, and moreover, the app shows where you need to clean, what places of the room you need to clean, so you can just move the vacuum cleaner around using the camera, and the objects which are most difficult to clean are already highlighted. So that's why we consider our application as some better implementation of vacuum cleaning ever.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you.